All right, second case study. First one, I'm not that happy with the first one, but it is what it is. I forgot to mention a couple of things. Doesn't matter. So, digging into this case study, where are we on the high time frame? We can see on the daily. Let's break it down from the daily. We knew we were above these highs, liquidity taken. Now we reached the discount of this bullish range from that low up to this high. And actually, yesterday we could see that we got our first like slowdown candle after this strong bearish push, meaning we might turn around. Then we have daily highs, daily lows here. And if we dig lower, we can see, so liquidity wise, we can either go up or go down from this time frame. We took a lot of internal range liquidity over here, so longs are valid trades from the daily time frame. And with that slowdown, we can like guess a potential turnaround. And it's all guessing, right? Just calculated guesses. Over here, you can see we came into the daily fair value gap, took internal range liquidity, took high time frame liquidity, reacted from this 1 hour POI. On the back of news, we got a strong push to the upside, and our candles over here show like push to the upside and then rejection candle from that order block. So closing pretty bullish, although it's a bearish candle, if you get what I mean. And then we have our Asian range, and in the Asian range, we can see like low, or actually the in the size of slow candle, slowing showing Asia. And if we go lower to the 1 hour, what can we see? We can see that slow price behavior during Asia, and then the strong push during London Open, Frankfurt Open. And if we go even lower, we can see that we have the previous daily highs above, and we had this bullish range, or I had this bullish range on. And as you can see, instantly after coming up to this high, we reached the low. Therefore, we already reached a discount. I was looking for longs. Then long wise, we had the low, high. This didn't reach the discount of this range. However, I class this as my new range. Therefore, we have this 50-minute POI sitting over there. Actually, let's take this off. Let's remove this real quick. Asia highs being taken. We know we got equals below, but price can move without taking equals. Why did I choose this order block as well? It has some chaining inside, and it disrupted lows. You got a low, high, high, low, high, high. Disrupt these lows. So I thought, all right, that's a pretty valid POI to trade from, right? Then we got some form of early buyers in the form of this order flow. We got a low or high, low bullish break. So you can class this as your early buyers, or you can class this as your early buyers, classing that, seeing like, okay, that's my bullish order flow stepping in, people thinking, all right, we can buy from here because low, high, high, low, high, high, etc. It's not just breaking bullish. You can also use early buys with a certain thought process. That's what I did there. Not always working out. Anyway, internal range liquidity over here, taken out, inducing buyers, then continuing down. If anything, you get early or internal range liquidity over here, lows that lead to high, then bearish break. But let's use this one, and especially let's use this one because these are our early buyers. Yeah, perfect equals as well. Some minor early buys over here, a low high that led to a low bullish break. And then if we go lower to the 1 hour or 1 minute, so we know where we are, right? We are 50-minute wise. Some people said we had this bearish range. I was using this bullish range and then the internal bullish range because that seemed valid to me. Reason why I missed it short over here. Anyway, coming down lower, what can we see? Pretty straightforward. We have early buys over here. We have minor early buys over here. Then we got high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, low, low. Super tiny bullish break. Sorry if I go so fast, but like the story is great on this trade. Just unfortunate that it didn't play out, and I had to go break even, or I did go break even. So that's the story from this trade, from high down to low, bullish area, or discount of the range, strong POI in my opinion. Although there's some liquidity, which I will discuss in a second. So bullish break, and that's basically your trade. Hello, what? So where do you enter from? Well, we enter from here. Let me check where my entry was. Oh, 85. My bad. I know it was 85. See, just that fair value gap. And then stops below the low. 2.7, 3.3, 3.2. And then your longs. And they just miss 1 to 5. They actually, there you go. So this was your 1 to 5. And what I did went break even. Why did I go break even? So this was not the strongest break. And then we came deeper. Price pumped up again. And not the strongest break again. And these bearish candles, I tend to monitor price pretty actively, which is not a good thing sometimes, but it can be. In this case, it kind of was because it didn't hit 1 to 5. Although maybe I would have taken partial somewhere. But so that long, this was such a strong candle. Holy shit. So I had my stop 85, had it a break even. When I saw that, I was like, damn, fuck that. not the not good. Yeah, it was just management. It was not good, but with another reason why I went break even already after that break instead of reducing it, which would have led to a loss. So it was a good call anyway. It's these lows. Look at these equals. Asia low. Well, not the strongest POI. It has not like no chaining, not any strong disruption of lows, but it has the all liquidity above like these lows, then these session lows. So that was a valid POI as well, and that was a reason for me to go break even early. But this is basically your second trade from this low or from here and 8, 5, and then there you go. So yeah. So if you would have used this, you put your stop below that low, you would have hit your 1 to 5 though. But yeah. All right, that's it.